The Ray Darcy Show on RTE Radio 1. Proudly sponsored by Volkswagen. Volkswagen.ie.
51551 ray at RTE.ie. Now, Rob O'Byrne is here. He's how are you doing, Rob?
How's it going?
We're going to be talking to Rob in a moment. How many people have seen the clip of you crowd surfing at the Coldplay concert?
On Facebook, it's over 3 million. And
3 million?
Yeah, YouTube was trending #1.
Right.
Ahead of Conor McGregor's singing last week still. So
Right. So we'll talk to you about that in a moment. Also in studio we have Donal, Lunny and Andy Irvine. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Thanks for coming in. You're playing in the Galway International Arts Festival, and you can go to giaf.ie for more info and tickets. Donal, would I be correct in saying that you did your first recording 50 years ago? Would that be right? Is it 50 years ago next year or this year?
I grudgingly admit. Yeah.
Yes. Is it? Right.
It is, yeah, it's true.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, it is. It's remarkable.
Yeah.
Never thought I'd see the day.
Yeah. You're looking well on it. What about you, Andy? What's your first recording? Can you remember what it was? Your first?
Sweeney's Men, 1967.
50 years ago?
50 years.
Yeah, they're 50 years ago. Yeah. So
we always do things in tandem.
Yeah. And you just for people, so you got together through Planksty. Was that the first time you were together? Or
Well, we were playing as a duo before that.
Right.
Things didn't really take off, I suppose, until Planksty happened, yeah.
Right, okay. I was seeing that Raggle Taggle Gypsy, that's the most streamed Planksty song on Spotify, just for your information.
Really?
Yeah.
Good to know.
Over 500,000 streams. I don't know what that means in money to you now.
Neither, we don't know either.
Something.
Probably a pint of Guinness each or something, something like that. Yeah, you're right. What are you going to sing for us today?
Andy's going to sing one of his songs,
right?
BŌNEASṳ'S Green Glade.
Right. You were going to sing... Oh, that's the first one.
Yeah, the first one.
Yes, I'm going to sing a song called BŌNEASṳ'S Green Glade, which is about a forest that used to exist outside Bucharest in Romania, where I stayed many years ago. It's now a block of flats, but that's the way of the world. So it goes like this. In BŌNEASṳ'S green forest, out under the trees, we'd lie on our backs, we'd live at our ease. We'd wake in the morning at the first shafts of day and watch the shy deer as they scampered away. We'd rise from our warm beds as the sun it got higher and cook up our breakfast on a sweet scented fire. In the still early morning, a cool, gentle breeze, the echo of woodpeckers rings through the trees. We'd sit in our glade till the heat of the day, walk down to the zoo to sing and to play. Well, the money rolled in and the people looked on. When the hat was quite full, we'd up and be gone. In Dumbavica Tavern, we spent money free and drank to our friends where'er they may be. We talk of old times, fond memories we trade. At dusk we'd walk home to BŌNEASṳ'S green glade.
Very quickly, that's a bouzouki.
No, this is a mandola.
That's a mando, and that's a bouzouki.
That's a bouzouki.
Right, okay. And who introduced the Greek bouzouki to Ireland?
Well, Johnny Moynihan,
Right. And how long ago was that?
50 years ago.
Right, 50 years ago. It's all 50 years today. You're going to stay on. You're going to play another song before the end of the show. For the moment, Donal and Andy, thanks very much. We'll talk to Rob after a quick commercial break.
The Ray Darcy Show on RTE Radio 1.
Lads, can you do a 3-minute version of that song?
Have a go at it.
Just play it faster. Because I just have to do the top 5 clips of the U2 songs before we go. But before we get to that, it's Donal, Lunny and Andy Irvine and
BŌNEASṳ'n', yeah.
BŌNEASṳ'n',
It's a Connemara song I learned from Sean McDonagh.
So Paddy's wife, Paddy's woman.
Paddy's woman, yeah.
Okay.
She wants to be, but she can't be. But
Okay.
anyway, here you go. Sin trúir na mise, sin trúir na mise ban fáidín. Sin trúir na mise, san bhaine tá heige bheith cáilte. Bui mise siach na clochan tar timppel le béla na bóige. Bhráidní mes teatrí na fúine go féchan na bhecin ban fáidín. Sin trúir na mise, sin trúir na mise ban fáidín. Sin trúir na mise, san bhaine tá heige bheith cáilte. Chuoi mise siar táine rásin na sannig miniar bar atáilín. Is teach sí bhaidís ó chaisí féchan na bhecin ban fáidín. Sin trúir na mise, sin trúir na mise ban fáidín. Sin trúir na mise, san bhaine tá heige bheith cáilte. Sin trúir na mise, sin trúir na mise ban fáidín. Sin trúir na mise, san bhaine tá heige bheith cáilte. Ráithin go gáile, vis ráithin go gáile le páidín. Ráithin go gáile, vis siúcin na bháile sa máid leis. Sin trúir na mise, sin trúir na mise ban fáidín. sin trúir na mise san bhainetá heige bheitháilte. Gamristar da chasa, gamristar da chasa ban fáidín. Gamristar da chasa, gamristar da chasa da chláha. Sin trúir na mise, sin trúir na mise ban fáidín. Sin trúir na mise san bhainetá heige bheitháilte. Sin trúir na mise, sin trúir na mise ban fáidín. Sin trúir na mise san bhainetá heige bheitháilte.